Hello, this is Rory with the Love Chat, and today's topic is, can I make no contact work faster? Now, this is video number 118. If you have a question you'd like for me to consider featuring on the Love Chat, please write it in a comment below. And if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe and hit like, as it really does help my channel out, so thank you if you have. Also, if you'd like to do a Skype or email coaching, just visit my website, thelovechat.net/coaching. Now then, can I make no contact work faster? This is a pretty normal question to ask yourself at the beginning of a breakup, and even a couple of months in, we're wondering about this no contact rule. We're wondering if it's even effective. Does it work on everybody? Is there a 100% guarantee that your ex will reach out? And mainly, if it works, can we make it go faster? Because if there's anything we don't like after a breakup, it's not talking to the very person that broke up with us, because we think that we have to get in there, right? We have to do something. I have to talk to them and explain to them how sorry I am, or explain to them how I won't act like that anymore, or figure out that one disagreement or situation that happened that caused the breakup. It is normal to want to get to work, because think about how many areas of your life that works. Think about a disagreement with a friend. All you need to do is figure out that disagreement with a friend by messaging them, and you can eventually get things back on track, back to normal. Though with romance, it's a little harder because the relationship is in a very different vein. It's romantic, it's intimate, and hard work is called for in a relationship, but not during a time where that person has asked for time and space. No, going to them and trying to figure out this problem right now will only blow up in your face because you're not listening to them. And so, you obviously know if it's no contact, leave them alone. Give them that time, give them that space. And the next question your mind turns to is, all right, well, fine, I'm not going to reach out. I know what to do to prevent myself from reaching out. How do I make this thing go faster? How do I make no contact more effective so that I have to wait less? The simple answer is there's no way to do that, because we don't know if no contact is 100% effective. We can't know. Does no contact increase the likelihood that they reach out to you? Yes, it does. I can promise you that. But does no contact have a 100% success rate? No, it does not. So while there's no way to speed up the process in which your ex reaches out without being overtly manipulative, which is not what we want, because we want healthy reconciliation, not any reconciliation. In other words, you don't want to get back into a situation where they leave again soon after because the core problems were not addressed. You want a healthy relationship, long term. So, how do we make no contact go faster? Like I said, there's no way to make them reach out quicker. However, there are little things you can do to help your situation and make it feel faster. So, first and foremost, one of the tactics that we talk about is using social media effectively if in the event you are on it. And so how do you do that? While I do not recommend posting sad songs or sad relationship memes or anything like that, post positive, uplifting change. So perhaps a good example of that would be, I want to change something about myself, and the most common theme that people want to change about themselves is how they look. And so if you are, for example, in the market to lose 5-10 pounds, then post your transformative change on social media. Show where you started and where you ended up, and how excited you are to go from where you were to where you are. Now, you're not doing this necessarily to be validated by others. However, you are doing it to show that you are the type of person who says they're going to do something and then does it. It's not just air. And so that will be something that will gain some more of that respect for yourself, and having other people tell you how good you look will help you feel better about yourself. And yeah, your ex will be noticing. Now, in the event they've blocked you from social media, or you are not on social media, don't worry about it, as this is not really a massive step. Will it help a little bit? Yeah, like a little. But really, you want to be doing things for you to speed up no contact. Not just because they'll reach out in the event that they do, but because it will also speed up the healing process. Remember, I say this in many, many videos, no contact is not a weapon to get your ex to reach out to you. No contact is a tool in order to back yourself away from the dramatic situation which was causing you to act less attractive. The more you're pining over your ex and begging and pleading and crying yourself to sleep and wondering how you can plot and plan to get them back, the less likely you will be to get them back. The more that you back away, focus on yourself, change the narrative, because remember, they broke up with you. They're expecting you to chase. They read the whole script and they're expecting how this movie's going to end up. And so what you're doing is completely changing the script on them. You are completely redefining the narrative. And the narrative was not that they broke up with you and you begged and pleaded and chased. The narrative now is that you backed away, you bowed out of their life, you focused completely on your life, gaining new skills, new friends, more money, a better attitude on life, a stronger, more attractive body, and you became happier. I can promise you, they did not read that portion of the script. And when you really throw yourself into this work, yes, no contact really does feel faster, and at the same time, if after all this growing, part of you would like to try again with your ex, you've greatly, greatly increased the chance that not only will they reach out once they hear of all your success, but also the chance of a healthy reconciliation if and when they reach out is much greater because you're a brand new version of yourself who realizes that you do not need another person in your life to make you happy. I think Corey Wayne put it best when he said, "You're not looking to find somebody to complete you. You're looking to find somebody in which to share your completeness." I know many of you were here looking for an idea of how to make no contact go faster, but the truth is that anything worth having takes hard work and patience to get. There is no magic pill. There is no secret, and there is no text your ex back guide or emergency kit that will do anything to make no contact go any faster. If you want the best possible shot of winning your ex back, win yourself back first. Because the more you love yourself, the more others will love you. That's all I had for today. If you found my video helpful, I'd be very grateful if you'd subscribe and hit like. Please leave a comment below and tell me what topics you want me to cover in the future. Additionally, if you'd like extra videos every week, private live streams with me, and book giveaways, just visit my Patreon, patreon.com/thelovechat. Until next time.